Hey guys, I got a new product for you today. This is the Smart Lock Deadbolt. Let's see what we got. It comes with instructions. It comes with a template. If your door's not already cut out, this is really handy, but most doors come pre-cut out. Then you got the deadbolt itself. It's got the lock on the front. And this is the front of it. This is where you enter the PIN code. It's also got fingerprint recognition on the front, and it's also app controlled, so you can connect this directly to your app. Right, and also comes with some hardware. It also comes with a backup key. Let's go install this and we can take a closer look. Okay, once you have your wire ran to the back, it's time to install the bracket. And this depends on the thickness of your door, what size screws to use. Anything between 35 and 45 millimeters, you use the smaller screws. And anything thicker than that, you use the bigger screws. Mine's 35 millimeters, so I'm going to use the smaller screws. Okay, I just installed the back plate. Now it's time to install the back lock. But first, make sure you plug in this power cord to the back lock or this will not work. Just like that. Line up your lock.
Lock direction setting succeeded. Unlocked.
To add a user to your new door lock, all you do is press the reset button for 2 seconds.
Add administrator, please enter a new password.
So then on the keypad, you just enter in your passcode.
Locked. Unlocked.
My favorite feature about this door lock is you can connect it to an app and unlock it from your phone.